morning, this is Dan from US Cellar Systems again. Today we are unboxing our small wine cellar and humidor humidifier. It's been something people have been asking for a long time, so we finally decided to produce our own. It's a small self-filling humidifier that can be used for small spaces. It comes with an installed float valve. It has a filling kit, a plug-in electronic humidistat, a 25-foot line set, and the grill with the fan motor that mounts right on top of it. It's easy to install, easy to use, and can be ordered either with or without a float valve. If you do not get the float valve, then you have to physically check it every couple of days and make sure the water level is about half full on the tank. When installing the humidifier in your wine cellar, you have to have a standard outlet inside the area that you're humidifying. The digital humidistat plugs into the outlet. You place the humidifier inside the area that you want to humidify, and then the fan motor simply plugs in to the humidistat. Then you adjust the humidistat for the humidity you want. When you first make the adjustment, it'll show you what humidity you're setting it for. And then after a few seconds, it'll switch over and show you what the humidity is inside the room. I'm going to show you real quick how you have to service the self-filling humidifier. If you notice that you're starting to get dirt inside or it's getting a little bit of algae buildup, turn off your water, disconnect the water line attached to the side of it, unplug the fan motor. You carefully remove the fan motor and grill from the top. Then you can lift the tank out, take it to wherever you want to, dump the water out, wash it out, put it back in place, reconnect your water line, turn on the water supply, and make sure your float valve is adjusted so that the water cut level comes up to about halfway. Then you can check the air filter on the fan motor. It's right underneath the grill. On top here, it's got the little clips all the way around. You just unclip this, take the filter out. You can take that to the sink, wash it out, make sure it's dry, put it back on, clip the fan guard back into place, and then plug the fan motor back into the controller, and you're ready to go again.